Namaste. How's it going? This lesson is interesting. The tongue has a direct connection to specific points in the body and even the brain. So let's talk about the body. All right. For example, if you rub the tongue upwards between the gums and the back of your lips, the specific point, and then you breathe through it, can you feel the effect behind the collarbones, that particular chest, and the thoracic, the rib cage? And that becomes even more powerful if you lift the same arm. So if you inhale to simultaneously, you may start from the base. Can you feel like the tongue actually traces the line of that side? You can feel it light, open. On the other hand, if you move the tongue downwards between the gums and the spot of your mouth behind the lips, like that, and then, you do some leg motions, for example, in downward dog. You do that. You can feel now the effect is actually to that part of the hips, in that hollow space. Now, if you combine them, the upwards and the downward motion of the tongue, you can actually gain access to the deep pockets of the body. But particular side, for example, you're working on your left, it's the Ida Nadi. If you're working on the right, it's your Pingala Nadi. I use this a lot, and probably you observe and notice that when I do the classes, my tongue moves distinctively inside my mouth, so I can gain access and make those body parts lighter. And this helps me support my body if I do weight-bearing postures, for example, handstanding, jumping. I use this a lot, even inversions. I also use this before my pranayama, so I can release stagnation, blocking my energetic system. And even meditation, before my meditation. Because in meditation, you have to make sure that your body is open, supple, but not too overstimulated from the asana. Therefore, this is a good way for me to find that openness within. All right, so yes, when the body becomes open, when the tongue becomes more involved in the practice, this combination, of course, the awareness, the breath, and the purity of your inner system, all of this, when we apply in our practice, we can effectively and meaningfully awaken the dormant centers in the body, leading to higher states of physical awareness, energetic presence, as well as gaining access to our spiritual dimensions as well. I'll see you in the next lesson. Namaste. Bye-bye.